Okay, this is how to make the luxury minimalist villa with the clean lines and open space design in this villa. And I speed up this progress video from around 28 minutes into the 8 minutes approximately. Okay, the first step, I make the basic shape with a rectangle in here, and I put the dimension in here to make it clear for the how wide and how long this dimension in here. Okay, and after that I make the meshing in here. This is the basic meshing with using the rectangle, and I give the thickness of this slab around 300 millimeter in here, and I duplicate it and multiple it above in here, and I duplicate about this meshing into the another space over there, and I duplicate about the floor until it makes around 2 and or 3 floor in here, and I make the wall in here, and I make the wall and offset it inside, and offset it inside with the thickness around 150 millimeter of the wall thickness in here, and copy and duplicate the wall above in here, and I make the another cantilever meshing in here to make it more representative in here. Okay, I make the support with the cylinder column in here, so it's not only the ordinary structural, but it's the super structural system in here with the cantilever in here, and I make the setting of the field of view to facilitate us for modify it in here, and I make the rectangle in here just like this, and just place the surfaces over there in here. Okay, and after that I make the rectangle in here over there. I push the meshing in here, and I push the meshing in here over there in here, and select the surface and push it up and make the glazing make the material glazing in here. Okay, and after that I make the rectangle in here and assign about the materials in here, and just place the position over there, and just place, and I make the rectangle in here, and after that I just place the position in here, and I move to this one in here. Okay, and after that I maximize about the openings in here above in here, and I move the meshing and also the landscape to the appropriate place in here, and I replace about the background and also the sky into the blue color to make it more highlighted well about the 3D model or object on the front to the foreground. And I make the diagonal meshing in here on this rooftop, on this first meshing in here, and I make the cantilever and also the support with the cylinder column in here, and I make the another guideline with using the tape measure tool, and make the diagonal wall on the exterior especially, and assign about the materials, and I make the openings again in here on the building on the top of this first meshing over there, and I decide to repeat about the step to make the openings, to make the grid openings over there, and I offset it outside in here and push it down, or offset it inside, and then I make duplicate about the line and sign about the line, sign about the surfaces material with the glass and also the wood materials in here. And then I make the large swimming pool. There is a junction. The swimming pool has a junction in here, so it's not only straightforward swimming pool, it's not only simple swimming pool, but also the grid swimming pool, and I assign about the water materials to be there. Then, and after that I make the another meshing over there. I push it up over there and just place, and then I make the cylinder in here and make the support over there. I place the support over there to be a several column, so we have to make sure that the structural system has appropriate system, or it can distribute the load effectively in here, and I divide about the surfaces into the several parts of the glazing, and this is the current progress, but still ordinary, still has ordinary. So I decide to make the another materials with the travertine materials or another marble materials, so it not only just ordinary white painting or dark gray painting, but it has the several additional and attractive texture with the travertine and also the marble texture in here. And I make another railing on the first meshing, on the top of the first meshing, and I assign about the materials of this railing and divide into the several segmented of the glass to make it more representative with the realistic railing glazing in here. And after that I make another divide of the segmented, and I make another landscaping on the rooftop on the first meshing, especially with the green landscape over there, and I assign with the decking of the rooftop in here. Okay, and after that I decide to thinking again, and I thinking again, and I make another elevation. I adjust about the elevation on the rooftop on the another meshing in here. I duplicate about the line, about the path of the meshing over there, and just place to the position. Okay, and make group and assign about the materials over there, and just place the divided segment on there. And after that, okay, I make another segmented landscape. I make another partial landscape in here with the smooth landscaping over there with the green, and after that I make this I make the extension of the marble over there, and I put the segmented for this cantilever, or it's like a meshing bridge of this one with the underwater swimming pool in here. And I flip about the support and adjust just like this, and adjust about the meshing, extend about the meshing, and I put another elements like a tree and plants in here, and I put another component like outdoor dining table with the umbrella and the people on the rooftop in here. And this is about the result of this final result. This is about the result of this modern contemporary of this villa or house, and you can explore more about this 3D model. This is just basic 3D model, so you can explore more about the swimming pool, you can explore more about the interiors, rooftop, and another elements of landscape like a garage, a circulation, and much more. It's very much, so you can explore more, but because it's just still basic or fundamental conceptual design in here. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.